Were you warned by the president that DOJ you'll be confronted with death threats nung in-offer sa yung DOJ position?
Certainly. Naalala ko tuloy, Edwin.
And you
Okay,
still
diba
accepted?
Kasi Edwin, ganito yon. First, I never applied for SOJ.
Yeah.
Ganon din sa CHR. I never applied. So I never applied for SOJ. Basta just one fine morning in one day in June. June na yon, June of 2016.
2010.
The
2010.
secretary of I'm sorry. 2010.
2010.
Somebody called me and saying na the president-elect wants to talk to you. I was early morning, nagbibihis na ako noon papunta ng opisina sa CHR. May tumawag at sinabing the president-elect Aquino wants to talk to you sa residence sa Times Street. Akala ko ito sa prank. And are you sure? Yes.
Wait, Laila, wait. Background lang.
Okay.
The reason why Laila was surprised was because she didn't vote for Pinoy. ang manok niya, si Villar.
Okay.
Kasi kasama niya si Lorna Kapunan. Kasi we worked together in Rocco Bunyag eh. So yan, di ba Laila?
Manny Villar was the client. Manny Villar was the client.
Kaya nabigla
Election
siya.
lawyer ako, client ko siya.
Kaya
And
nabigla
Pinoy
ka,
knows
di ba?
that.
Nabigla
Pinoy
ka.
knew. Yes, I told him that. Did you know that I didn't vote for you? Yes, I know. But anyway, so going back to that, kasi naalala ko yan, Edwin, dun sa tanong mo about security. So tinawagan ko pa yung daddy ko. Sabi ko, Daddy, may tumawag sa akin. Kakausapin daw ako ni President-elect. Sigurado ka ba? Sabi ko, mukha namang totoo. So pumunta ako. So si Pinoy lang nandun, and then si Julia.
Julia
Abad. Dun sa So pag upo namin dun sa sala, after the initial pleasantries, ang una niya, so akala ko lang yun, that's a job interview. Akala ko there's a list, it's a short list na magi-interview pa lang. And then sabi niya, after the initial pleasantries, Chair Laila, okay, the first thing that we have to do is to give you appropriate security. Because next to me, next to the president, the DOJ secretary is the most prone to security threats. Excuse me, sir. What is this? What is this? Are you saying that you're already appointing me? And then tinawag niya si Julia. Julia, did you tell her that I already? What? No, sir. Sabi ni Julia. No, sir, because I thought you're going to be you'll be the one to tell her. Akala ko anuin pa lang ako, kikilatisin pa lang ako. So you see, ganun ang sabi niya. Yes. The first thing that we have to do is to give you appropriate security, because next to me, the DOJ secretary is most prone to security threat. So I could not forget that. Kasi nagulat ako na yun kaagad ang sinabi niya. You know? And then, sir, I did not apply. Yes, I know. But you were referred by several personalities and several groups. He mentioned some of them. And then, sir, did you know I did not vote for you? Yes, I know.
At talaga. Bawi.
Yeah. Okay, so ikaw kasi, Edwin, you keep on yung pinapaalala mo yung mga ganun eh.
Ano talaga, magaling si Laila talaga.
Yeah, so.
And sometimes, and I'll tell you this, sometimes her position and the president's position are not aligned. But she would be able to convince the president why the legal position should be this way. But sometimes, of course, being president also, she takes the mandate of the president very seriously. So, but by and large, the president allowed her to implement the law as it is.